Are you hungry for the latest news and trends from the internet? Welcome to What's Cooking on the Internet, your one-stop shop for discovering the hottest digital delights. Hit that subscribe button and let's get cooking.
Can the Trump administration's pivot to deal-making be a turning point in the global economy? Share your thoughts below. As the world holds its breath, waiting for President Trump to unveil a major trade deal with the UK, investors are cautiously optimistic that the tide might be turning in the ongoing tariff wars. But what does this mean for the global economy, and can we expect a lasting shift in the Trump administration's approach to trade? On Thursday, US stocks edged up after Trump hinted at the details of the US-UK trade agreement, with the tech-heavy Nasdaq composite rising 0.7% and the S&P 500 climbing 0.5%. The Dow Jones Industrial Average also rose 0.5%, as investors wait with bated breath for the announcement. But what are the implications of this potential pivot to deal-making? Some analysts think it could be a sign of a more pragmatic approach to trade, one that prioritizes economic growth over protectionist policies. Others are more skeptical, pointing out that the Trump administration has a history of making bold promises that often don't pan out. One thing's for sure: the global economy is watching with great interest as the US and UK negotiate their trade agreement. If it's successful, it could pave the way for other deals, including a potential trade agreement with China. But if the talks stall or collapse, it could make the economic uncertainty and market volatility of the past year even worse. Investors will also be keeping a close eye on the Federal Reserve's decision to keep interest rates steady. While this might seem like a positive sign for the economy, it also highlights the uncertainty and volatility that's characterized the past year. As we wait for the details of the US-UK trade agreement to emerge, it's worth thinking about the broader implications of the Trump administration's approach to trade. Is this a genuine pivot to deal-making, or just a tactical move to boost investor confidence? And what does it mean for the global economy, and for the millions of people who rely on international trade for their livelihoods? Only time will tell, but one thing's certain: the world is watching, and the stakes are high.